Hello and welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing so great. Today I share with you this milky donuts recipe. It's very easy to put together and trust me, you are definitely going to love it. If today been your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Now without wasting my time, let's dive right into it. For this donuts recipe, I'm going to be kneading my all-purpose flour, and I'm going to be listing everything on the screen for you to check it out. All right, so I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Moving forward, I'm also going to be using 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, 1 egg. Moving forward, I'll go in with my sugar, salt to taste, nutmeg. Next, I'll go in with some vanilla essence. You can also use any flavor of your choice. And I'll also mix everything well until all the ingredients are well combined. Alright, so while that is done, I'll also be going in with my water little by little until I achieve the perfect dough that I want. Remember, the dough shouldn't be very stiff, and it shouldn't be very watery as well. Right, so now let's mix until we achieve the perfect consistency. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so after mixing the dough to get the right consistency, this is how it's supposed to be. So next, I'll go ahead and knead the dough until the dough becomes very soft and very stretchy as well. To do this, I'll go in with some butter for extra flavor and to also make the dough easy to work with. From the beginning, the dough is going to be very sticky, just the way you see it on the screens right now, so it's going to be very difficult to work with. But just take your time and knead it for approximately 20 to 30 minutes and it should be okay. Alright, so this is the perfect dough that we want. As you can see, it's very stretchy, and at the same time it looks very soft as well. So to make sure you have achieved the perfect dough, you need to stretch out the dough like this. And as you can see, the dough is not giving that smooth texture that I want, so I need to knead it for extra 5 more minutes, and afterwards the dough should be okay. And the second trick that I'll share with you to know if the dough is ready is that you need to tap your hands on it, and when it bounces back to you, that indicates that the dough is ready. And as you can see, it is really stretching out very well and it's really coming out very smooth, and that is just perfect. So next, I'm going to section the dough into the preferred sizes. You can as well measure them if you want, but this I'm just going to eyeball them and it's just perfect. If you are doing this for business purposes, then measuring this to get the accurate measurements for every dough is the best, trust me. Moving forward, I'm going to be molding my dough into this round ball shape, just the way you see it on your screens right now. And remember as well to seal it very well to prevent the dough from opening whilst we're frying. All right, so now let's repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video to reach wider audience. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so after achieving the perfect round balls that you want, I'm going to flour my baking tray, and afterwards I'm going to place all my balls or all my dough on it very nicely. With this way, when it doubles in size, you're going to be able to pick it from the baking tray very easily. And I'm also going to dust the topping of the dough as well. Allow it to rest for about 30 minutes for it to prove very well. And afterwards, you just have to start to heat up your oil. Allow the oil to heat up very well and start to fry your donuts. And so this is how our donut looks right now. As you can see, it has really doubled in size very well, and that is what we're looking for. So now the oil is hot enough, so I'll go in with my donut and I'll be frying this on low medium heat until everything is nice and ready. So after 5 minutes of frying the other side of the donut, I'll flip it over and I'll allow the other side to also fry until it's nice and ready. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Kindly do me a favor by subscribing, because it is absolutely free, and please do well to turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after frying the other side for extra 5 minutes as well, it is all done and perfect, as you can see. So I'll remove everything and I'll fry the second batch as well until everything is nice and ready. Alright, so as you can see, all the donuts turn out so good and just perfect. So moving forward, I'm going to coat my donuts with some milk. I'm using powdered milk to coat my donuts, but I mix just a little bit of water, and that is why it's giving that thick texture. But all the same, we move, so I went ahead to coat it with just the powdered one, and that is just perfect. All right, so moving forward, I'm going to use my knife to create a little bit of hole inside the donut, and I'm going to fill the donut with some condensed milk, and trust me, this took the donut taste to another level. Just trust the process and you are going to love it. So I'm going to fill all the donuts with the condensed milk until everything is nice and ready. Alright, so fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this Milky Donuts recipe. It came out so good and the taste was just amazing as well. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.